This is Divya ma'am from Academic Heights Public School. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to cover two GK topics, and the first one is IT queries. Okay. So what is IT? IT is information technology. It's all about computers. How to make them, how to design them, how to make them work, what all softwares they need, what all interaction they are going to happen, how we are going to transfer data from one place to another place, how two computers are going to interact. Everything is all about IT is all about all these things. Okay, so let's read the questions and you can go ahead search it on internet or answer it. Okay, so first is, which operating system was introduced by Bill Gates company Microsoft? So which operating system was introduced by Microsoft? Yes, you all know it. We are using it right now. Okay, now the second is, which element is the primary component in computer microchips? Which element is the primary component in computer microchips? Okay, now third is, what is microchip? The CPUs are their main processor. Those are in microchips. Okay, now third is, to type capital letters on a computer keyboard, which key should be kept pressed along with the letter keys? So it's not asking about caps lock key, remember, because caps lock key you need to press only once and you continue to type capital letters. It's asking about the key which you need to hold while typing the letters to make them capital. Okay, now next is, which word describes a person who gains illegal access into computers? So tell me, what do we call that person who is accessing somebody else's computer illegally? Means not by right. Okay, now next is, who is the world's first computer programmer? कौन था वर्ल्ड का पहला प्रोग्रामर? Find out. Now next is, in computer technology, what does MB stands for? So I can hint you that MB is for storage unit, measuring storage. So just write the full form here. Okay. Seventh is, which holding company founded in 2015 is the parent company of Google? So you need to find out which is the parent company of Google. Okay. Last question is, which device enables computers to communicate with each other across telephone cables? This we have read in our previous class when we were talking about social networking and other things. Okay, so answer this also. Okay, let's read the tidbits. Silicon Valley, which surrounds the San Francisco Bay from Palo Alto to San Jose, became the hub of silicon industries in mid 20th century. Okay, so silicon industry means IT industries. Bangalore is known as Silicon Valley of India and enjoys the status of being a hub for IT companies. So Bangalore is IT hub. Even Pune has become IT hub now. Okay, let's go through the tidbits also. So these are some very useful keyboard shortcuts which are given in tidbits. So to open start menu, there is a window logo key which is third from left at the bottom row of your keyboard. Then to switch between open programs, we use Alt Tab. So press both keys together or press Alt first and then Tab. To close an active program, we can press Alt then F4. F4 is a function key given on the top row of your keyboard. To save, we press Ctrl S. Then these three you are aware of. Copy, Ctrl C, cut, Ctrl X, undo, Ctrl Z, and there is one more, paste, that is Ctrl V. Okay. Then to select everything on a document, you press Ctrl A. Now, if you need help with any the program, so the help key is always F1. F1 means help. Now, to cancel the task which is going on right now, you can always press escape. That is the first key at the top right, top left corner of your screen, or of your keyboard, sorry. And then to open a menu of commands related to selection in a program, same as right clicking the selection. For that, you have an application key on your keyboard, which looks like a document and it has 3-4 horizontal lines, but that is usually available on the keyboards, not on the laptops. Okay, and then to move to the top of a document, press Ctrl Home, and to move to the bottom of the document, press Ctrl End. Okay, so I hope you liked it. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, okay, so the next topic is Bookland. This is all about books and authors. Okay, so again I'm going to read the questions and you are going to search for the answers from internet. Okay, now first is, for which book did Paul Beatty win the Man Booker Prize in 2016? Paul Beatty is a writer who won the Man Booker Prize in 2016. So, for which book did he win it? Next is, who is the author of the famous series featuring Robert Langdon, the fourth of which is a mystery thriller called Inferno? So, for this series, there were multiple books published, and the fourth book is Inferno. And Robert Langdon is the main character, or you can say hero of the series, around which the story rotates. Okay, now the third question is, in which novel by Jane Austen is Annie Elliot the heroine? So you need to find the novel which was written by Jane Austen, and in which the main character is Annie Elliot. Okay, next is, in which book does a beautiful young man become the subject of a portrait by a painter called Basil Hallward? So you need to find a book in which there is a painter called Basil Hallward. Okay. Now next is, which novel revolved around the life of US Army Air Force official John Yossarian? So maybe you need to search for a biography for John Yossarian, or you can just search with the name and a book on this person like that, and that will pop up. Okay. Who is the author of the novel Midnight's Children? This was one of the very famous novel which got Booker Prize in 1981. So you need to find the name of the writer or author of that novel. Okay. Now, seventh is, what is the London address of Sherlock Holmes? So you need to tell where Sherlock Holmes live in London. Okay. Now, next is, which fictional character is the narrator of Herman Melville's Moby Dick? So there is a book called Moby Dick written by Herman Melville, and you need to find the character who is the narrator of that book. Now, next is, which detective series by Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay involves the adventures of a Bengali detective who preferred being called सत्यान्वेषी, जो सत्य का अन्वेषण करता है. अन्वेषण means खोज. So सत्यान्वेषी. Okay. Now next is, who wrote the book The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde? So you know the title of the book, you need to search who wrote it. Now fill in the blanks. So first is, Dash holds the Guinness World Record of fastest selling book of fiction in 24 hours. Okay, so search by this clue and you will find it. Which famous author coined the term cyberspace? Okay, the word Yahoo comes from Jonathan Swift's novel published in 1726. So which novel of Jonathan Swift's had the word Yahoo. Now, name the folk tales collection whose famous characters include Alibaba, Sinbad, Aladdin. Okay, so you need to write name of that book collection of that book which has collection of I think 100 stories approximately. Now, fifth is 2.5 million unsold copies of Dash novel were pulped to bind the asphalt with the tarmac. This material was used in making 16-kilometer stretch of M6 toll road in UK. So there was a book which was published in millions, and 2.5 million of unsold copies of this book were used to create a road. Okay, so you need to find name of that book. And what is ap asphalt? Asphalt means a mixture of dark pitch, जो sand and gravel का mixture होता है that. And what is the meaning of tarmac? Tarmac is I think the tar that we use to surface the road or outdoor areas, correct? Okay, so go ahead, answer these questions and stay home, stay safe. Bye bye, take care.